Now see what are the different kind of work being done in this drawing. You have to observe this drawing and recognize the occupation of the people. Now see in the first picture that lady is taking milk. See in the first picture, milking a cow. That lady is milking a cow. Second picture you can see over here, gardening. Third picture, sphere cleaning, sewer cleaning. One man is cleaning the switch water. Then teacher is teaching the student. Then gatekeeper is there. Garbage picker is there in the that ghanta van, we call as ghanta gadi. Then in this side the traffic police is there. He is doing his work. Then driver is there, the school van is there, driver is driving the school van. Then doctor is checking the patient. Then food seller is there, which she is selling the fruit. Then scientist is there in the below picture. Sweeper are cleaning the road, mason are building the houses. Then labor is there, labor is carrying the things. Then this also labor is carrying the things. Then railway clerk is there who are selling the tickets of the train. Painter is there, painter is painting the drawing. Then rag picker is there, this girl is rag picker, this lady is rag picker. Then laundry is there, beside that laundry man is there which are washing the clothes. He is washing the clothes and ironing the uh, others people clothes. Then halwa is there, he is making sweets. Now if you were asked to do any five jobs shown in the picture, which would you choose? Why? Maybe we can use doctor, teacher, scientist, shopkeeper, painter, because this job is professional, other job is not professional. Which five job would you not choose and why? Maybe we will not choose sweeper, labor, rack picker, garbage picker, gatekeeper, because this job is not professional. And we, if we are educated, we become doctor, teacher, scientist, shopkeeper and painter. Now discuss what kind of work or job do people not want to do. Why? People usually don't want to do job which looks dirty or has low income. Such kind of job, no, people are not choosing for doing before earn money. Next question is, so who does this kind of work? Why do people do this kind of work that others do not want to do? Now see, imagine what would happen if nobody did this work. If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for 1 week, then what would happen? No one can clean the uh, area, no. Think of some ways, machines or other things, so that people will not have to do work they don't like to do. Draw a picture of what you thought. You have to think this about this and you have to draw your own picture. If uh, no one is there, if nobody will go to do this work, then it will create problem for us. The garbage will get collected outside our school and houses. It will started giving bad smell due to the process of rotting, as in picture shown. So it could create epidemic also. Epidemic disease will spread by due to this. The place fall of garbage will look very ugly, like in as shown in this picture. So do you think that anyone has ever tried to change this situation? So as many people have tried, people are trying even today, but it is not easy to change this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi had a friend, Mahadev Bhai. Mahadev Bhai Desai. Gandhiji had a friend named Mahadev Bhai Desai. Mahadev Bhai's son Narayan also stay with Gandhiji. when he was young. You can see in this picture Mahadev Bhai Desai, and this incident is from Narayan book. Narayan wrote something. You can see the Narayan picture here. Narayan was the son of Mahadev Bhai Desai, and Mahadev Bhai Desai was a friend of Gandhiji. So one experience shared by Narayan Desai to us here are given. We have to look that, remembering those day when Narayan means Babla, his proper name was Babla was about 11 years old. He was staying in Gandhiji's Sabarmati ashram. Like everyone else in ashram, he had to do various kind of work. One of his job was to teach the guest how to clean the toilet. Means he are teaching how to clean the toilets. In those days, the toilet were not available. Toilet are not that what we know today. There used to be holes under which basket were kept, like this. They are using this as a toilet. So people sat on the holes, and later the basket had to be lifted by hand to be emptied. It's cleaned by hand by the people. So it was the usual practice that people from particular community would do this work. But in Gandhiji, but in Gandhiji ashram, every person had to carry the basket to the compost pit and emptied there. So every person are doing, they are cleaning their own things. So no one was excused from this task. So not even the guest also. Narayan Bhai remember how some people used to try and avoid this work. Some even left the ashram because of this, because they are doing such kind of